Wanted to make a short video about replacing the thermal fuse thermostat and thermistor on a Samsung dryer. You know, they have you disassembling it, basically taking the whole thing apart to replace these two little simple parts. I mean, it's crazy. So I had a dryer that was not heating up. And basically what I did was I took the heating element out, and there's the heating element, and I labeled everything. And then I got in there and I found where these are, these thermal fuse and thermistor were, and I unhooked them. It takes a little bit of effort because you have to put your hand in there and kind of reach around with a short nose Phillips. And I put a mirror in there and a light, a lantern, one of my camping lights in there to help kind of guide me. My hand kind of got in the way, but it ended up working, and I'll show you a few pictures of what I took trying to locate this thing. You have to reach all the way around to unhook these and replace these. It sure is a heck of a lot easier than basically taking apart the entire dryer to perform this swap out. And you can find all kinds of videos online about taking out the heating element and all that. I'm not going to repeat all that, but you can kind of see I had a little vanity mirror here and my lantern set up. And hey, if you want to save yourself a whole lot of time and frustration, do what I did. Use the mirror. Just be real careful reaching around, undoing these things. And if you're very meticulous, the way that I am, you could do this relatively easily without, you know, basically saving yourself a heck of a lot of time. And there they are. And good luck. It's worth trying this method.